Okay, so I'm going to show you how to download XAMPP for Windows and how to install it. So the first thing you want to do is go to their website, and then you want to go to where it says downloads and choose the one that says Windows. So click on it. This will open up another tab for it to actually download it. Wait for that to say 0 and then pop-up should come up. You want to choose where to locate it. I'll just put it on my desktop. I've already done it because I've already downloaded it. And this is what you'll get. So you just want to find this folder, double click it. A warning will come up saying that you allow this to open up the software. Just a little warning what Windows does. This second warning is just to tell it to, it's telling you not to put it in the programs folder. Well, it does do that automatically for you. So you just want to hit OK on that and then click on next. Choose which ones you want to install. I just don't want to leave it as default because you never know what you want in the future. Click next again, and this is where it says to not put it into the programs folder. So you're just going to leave it on the C drive, right at the start of the C drive. It's very easy to find. Just hit next again, choose your language, next, and it will start installing. So that is pretty much it. Hope you found this useful. Remember to subscribe, rate and comment, and see you again in the future. Bye!